Look at these chicks. They're all lined up ready to eat. That black one right there, that's my little girl, Angel. Angel, what you doing, baby girls? Yep, she knows I'm talking to her. Y'all hungry? Alright, give me 1 minute. Going in here to feed the chickens. And clean that bowl out, put some fresh water in there. Looks like they got plenty of food over here. Yep, I see over there waiting. Look at that, like one straight line waiting for me. Oh shoot. Yeah, this little shed thing's made of an 1800s building that blacksmith used to own. I think it's like from 1893, I believe. Somewhere's in the 1800s. Can't really remember. I gotta clean them baskets out too. Hey, Angel. Hey, baby girls. Oh, shoot. All right. Ah, 3 eggs right there, 1 down there, and 1 in there. 4 eggs today. They usually eat about 6 or 7. Because they're on strike today or something. Gotta raise these eggs up real quick. Nice. Have me some scrambled eggs tomorrow. Okay. Get these birds fed and watered. Watch out, yo. Watch out, rooster. Go outside for a minute. Go outside for a minute. Go on. Go outside. Go on. Okay, you can wait there if you want to, just don't go outside, alright? Look at him trying to fight to get out. 1 minute, buddy, okay? Okay. Got that dealt with. Dump this outside. It's nasty. Yeah. Hold on, rooster. Watch out, bud. Hey, you're not gonna feed over it. Hold on, you almost set his phone down for a minute. I wonder. Will it stay put right there? Hopefully, don't fall in that water. Okay. Got the water dealt with and the food. Let these babies eat. Brie, Angel, get over and eat. Oh, your baby ran away again. It's a stray cat we have around here. It's got like, I think it's 3 or 4 little baby kittens that she had out here in this building. about ready to collapse. Be right back, y'all. Well, shoot, gotta fix this fence first. What the heck am I doing? And now I gotta go over here and feed Biscuit. Oh shoot, Biscuit, really? You got a bird or something, boy? Hey, watch out. Hey, watch out. Biscuit, let go. Biscuit. Biscuit, come here. Come here. Come here, Biscuit. Come here. Watch out. Move. Move. Biscuit, move. You can get in that bird. Biscuit, come here. The poor little bird, man. I ain't gonna wait to get the freaking bird out now. It's a little bitty, it's a little baby bird. You gotta be kidding me, man. You gonna kill a little innocent little bitty bird. Really? Watch out. You gotta stay out here, boy. Stay out here for a minute. Stay. I gotta try to get this bird out. You gotta be kidding me. Tight spot. You stay there, Biscuit. Okay, how am I going to get him out of there? This might work. Move. Move, Biscuit. Biscuit, move. Hold on, y'all. I gotta get this bird out. Here's a little bitty bird. Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't fall, baby. Aww. Wonder what kind of bird that is. Oh, don't fall. Don't fall. I'm just out here for a minute with the bird. Figure out what to do. It's okay, baby. Look at that little birdie. So cute. And basically just gonna eat it. You're mean. I'll name you Pharaoh. There you go. Can I name you Pharaoh? Okay, buddy. You find your mommy? Where is her nest anyway? Where'd you fall from? Probably the very top of that tree up here. I had to have. That's bad, Biscuit. Trying to eat a little bitty birdie. It's okay, bud. Say hi, everybody. Hey, Pharaoh. That's your name, bud. Okay. It's okay. Probably what, a week old maybe? If that. He's little. What do you think, y'all? What kind of bird is this? I have no idea. Okay, babies. I gotta figure out where to put you at so no one eats you. And it's gonna be hell getting up this damn tree right there. Branches thin enough to break underneath you. This freaking sucks, man. Ain't that right, bud? Oh no. Really? Is your chest ripped open? Hold on, y'all. Okay, babies. It's okay. It's alright. Yeah, yo, I don't think this bird's gonna live much longer. His, from where dog got him, his ribs are sticking out a little bit. See it? He's just a little one. Oh, man. What? Hey, everybody, what should I do? I mean, I don't know what to do. It's still living. It's not dead yet. But its insides are hanging out a little bit. I don't know what to do. Should I take him inside for a little bit? Keep him safe until my roommate wakes up and see what she wants to do? Hey, leave in the comments down below, alright? If y'all like this video, please like and subscribe. Talk to y'all later. Say bye, Pharaoh. Bye, baby.